So Trangia makes a winter attachment which consists out of two elements. First is this plate, which now seems like it's stuck underneath. You can easily push it out though. And this is the preheater for the burner elements. So the way it works, there's a little wick in here. Here you can put some fuel and you'll put it underneath the burner. You'll light this one first, and this will preheat the whole burning element, which will make the burner light easier. And this plate you put underneath the storm cooker, and this will just keep the warmth inside a little bit better. It works for the 25 as well as the 27. For the 25 you put it like this underneath. For the 27, that one is a bit smaller, and the way it works is you put it sort of inside. It doesn't fit as well as this one for the 25, but you can still make it work. So let me show you how to use it. I'm gonna put it on top of the burner in case I spill a little bit, then at least it goes in here. Just a few drops. So ideally you would want to light this with a match. I don't have any, so I will try to use this. Yep. So it is now preheating the burner. And actually, I didn't even need to light it, it just went on. And we very quickly have a nice blue flame. There's a little bit of yellow in there as well, mostly blue. Normally it takes a bit longer to light. This was very fast. Now I'll just try and make some lunch.